sirs, mums, ladies and gents. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for watching another one of these videos. These videos are really going to be really short. If you're new to this, apologies, but they shouldn't take too much of your time. But thank you for watching anyway. If you are liking them, just give us a thumbs up and maybe press the bell button, and then maybe subscribe. If you're not liking them, and if you are liking them, put a comment below. You know, we do like some feedback. So I mentioned about these, if I haven't mentioned, have I? Can't remember, but it's been 30 seconds, a bit like a goldfish. If you're looking for a last minute present for your beloved one, or even your partner, then you certainly come to the right place, because we're going to give you some brief information about products that are certainly good. One of them being the HEX. The HEX ezCAN accessory extension cable kit. Nearly got it wrong. You see this ezCAN thing here, conveniently, surprisingly. If you're not sure what this is, but effectively it just plugs into your, doesn't all plug into all bikes, but there's a certain limitation of manufacturers that it will plug into. There's a list on the website that it does, or different types of products. They essentially plug into your bike, and then you can then do certain things with them. So i.e. run your lights off of the switch control unit, add different accessories, so like a phone or a heated jacket, and various other things. But if you want to do those certain other things, you'll need one of these extension kits. The extension kit is approximately about 55 to 60 odd pound, available on the website. It comes with loads of cables, all comes up like this, one for the horn, etc. That's a classic example. And it will also come with, should have done this earlier, prior preparation prevents, and all that stuff. Some of this stuff as well. You also get some of these actually in that kit, but you certainly don't get any long extension leads. Essentially what that does is just allows you to plug into the bike. If you do have one of these, get one of these as well. But like I said, really top bit of kit, really nice and simple to use, plug and play, brilliant, but certainly a must have. Anyway, Merry Christmas, have a good one, thank you.